Hello everyone, so in our previous class we designed this topology in the packet tracer series, and we told we are going to test the communication between these two PC. We told we are going to verify the communication is there or not, connectivity is there or not between these two computers. So what we told, if you remember, if you watched the previous video, we told we have one PC here 192.168.1.1, another PC we have 192.168.1.2, and we told we need to make sure they have the connectivity, they can communicate to each other. We need to check that one. So how we can check means you can just log into this PC, go to the CLI. Okay, this is the CLI. Let me show you again how we can go. Just click this machine. After that you can say there is a command prompt, click here. This is a command prompt of the PC. In this one what you can do, you can type here, first command we can type ipconfig. Okay, ipconfig to get the information whatever IP address we have. If you see here we have 192.168.1.1, this is the IP and this is the subnet mask we have. Okay, this is the IP, this is the subnet mask we have for this machine. And this machine, the another PC is having 192.168.1.2. So if you want to make the communication between these two machines, I will write ping and I will type the IP of the other machine. So other machine is having 1.2. If you see this machine is having 1.2, I am in this machine 192.168.1.1. When I ping here, reply is coming. So what we can say, communication is working. Okay, both the PCs are working to each other. We can say they are talking to each other. Both the computers are talking to each other and we are getting reply. Okay, reply we are getting. If you want to test in the simulation mode, we can go here. If you see, you have here real and here simulation. Here is real, here is simulation. So you need to click simulation. When you click simulation, then you can go here, there is a packet, click here, click from here to here, means you want to send packet from here to here. And then you can play here. You can say packet is going here. Okay, and then again play, packet is coming back here. So what you can see here, it is communicating. You can see arrow here. If you want to open what is present inside this packet, click here. You can see here we are getting the OSI model, and if you go here in inbound, you can go here inbound, and here you will see the Ethernet frame, IP detail, ICMP. So we have, this is a IP packet, but in that one we have the ICMP. IP packet what we have, if you see, you have the source IP, destination IP, TTL value is there 128, IP header, if you see we are using the version 4, and Ethernet frame is having what, MAC address, destination MAC address, source MAC address. So no need to worry, later we are going to discuss this in detail. Now just I shown you to have the idea. In this lab our main aim is to check how two computers can communicate. Just we need to go to the real and go here and ping here, that's all. Go here and ping here. If reply is coming, then it is working perfectly. If reply is not coming, then it is not working. Okay, so what we can say, if reply is coming, then it is working perfectly. If reply is not coming, then it is not working perfectly. And instead of sending ping and verifying here, if you want to verify, you can click the simulation and select the packet, send from here to here, and play this button. So it will go there, it will come back like this, it will work. If you want to open, you can open and verify here what is present inside the packet. This is just basic video. Later we are going to analyze the packet. Okay, later we are going to analyze the packet. No need to worry about this one. Just try to have the idea how to make sure two computers are working. Okay, here we test that one. Just you need to remember, in this lab we test the connectivity. So in our next class we are going to learn how we can configure the router, basic configuration of the router. Here I can show you how we can take the router. If you see here, when I click here network device, click router, and you can see all the routers are available here. You can see we have all the routers here. And now if you want to take which router you want to take, that is up to you which router you want to take. You can take any router here, but generally we will take this first one. So I will take this first router, just drag and drop. Okay, just drag and drop. How you will take the router? Just you will drag and drop, that's all. After that, if you want to change anything, this is a label, you can change here, put R. Okay, and now after that we can take our one laptop. How we can take one laptop? Click here, drag and drop. This is a laptop, and here click, and this is a console cable. Click here, click to laptop RS232, and then connect here to the router, and router we will connect to the console port. Okay, this way we can connect the laptop to the router with the help of console cable. In our next class, we are going to learn how we can access the router, how we can configure the router. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I am making very short video, so you can easily watch. So in our next video, we are going to learn how we can configure the router by using the console cable. Okay, thank you, bye.